Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to manage your start screen options. At first, scroll to the left where your control panel is, and here scroll to settings. Now go to all settings, and here scroll to the advanced features. Scroll to start screen options, and here they have three options. Start with Smart Hub Home, outrun Multiview Casting, and outrun Multiview Mirroring. We can either enable or disable the first option, the second, and then the third one. Of course, we have to remember that these options may increase the power consumption in our monitor. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye!